Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Kamusta kayo? So for today's video, I will make a DIY headband holder. Since Ate Alicia have a lot of headbands, so I decided to make a holder or organizer for her like this. So if you want to know how to do this just for 3 minutes or 5 minutes, please keep on watching. For our DIY headband holder organizer, what we need is an empty container or any round container, then a glue stick, a ribbon, a customized leather if you want, it's optional if you want to put that, and then we have a glue gun here, a scissor, and of course the headband. Okay, first you need to combine them together, the two containers that you have, or if you want to use only one you can, but since Ate Alicia have a lot of headband, I need to use two containers. For securing it, we need to put the glue gun here. And after you stick them together, we need to secure it again with using this tape. Okay, so after you put them together, we need to cover it with this ribbon lace. So if you want to use any fabric or any paper, you can. Okay, we're done. So after you cover the container with your fabric or any paper or cardboard, so after you cover it, make a stand for your headband holder. Okay, we're done. So easy. Ta-da! We're easy. So that's for today. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in our next video. Thank you.